Well, hello, my friend. Nice to have you back with me again. Going to go through a nice stack of $20 bills here again. Got a lot of bills to look through to find the star notes again. And hey, let's see what we can find. And right off the bat, not a lot there, of course, but we'll keep on going here. Pair of nines, not much big. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a video. I bet you it's been darn near 2, 3 weeks, and been doing a lot of fishing, doing a lot of videos for the fishing content. So it's been a while since I've been able to do one of these videos. So pair of eights. I thought, I better get going and catch up here a little bit. So. Summertime, I guess, pair of sevens, pair of ones. You run out of time a little bit, You know how that goes. So, anyway, we'll keep on going here. So, not much there. Hopefully we can find us some nice star notes here. Pair of eights. I actually gave the bank tellers a little bit of a break, I guess. So, yeah, I've been over the winter. I hit them pretty hard. Pair of threes. Oh, look at there! Right off the bat, we got a nice one here. What do we got here? 2017, and of course, he's got the old bead up here. That's where the strap was. Typically, when they get strapped up. Nothing major here. Kind of cool. It's a $20 bill. It's going to have folds in it. I'm going to look him up. Now, by the way, the last $20 bill I found was, if you recall, was a last $20 star note. It was not very rare, so... But hey, what do we got here? 4 threes. Look at that. Pair of deuces. Nice bill. Very nice. Pair of threes on the end. Nothing too much. As you all well know, $20 bills, they get used a lot. And it's hard to find some nice bills that are in good shape. So... pair of sixes, pair of eights. What we got here? Pair of sevens. We'll go through here and keep on going here. See if we can, what else we can get. Typical 20. Pair of sixes. Still nice to get star notes out of all the videos I've done. What am I up to? Like 100 and... almost 160 now. 3 deuces there. And with all the star notes out there, that's crazy. Alright. Not much there. A bunch of nines here. And pair of deuces. Nothing there. Yeah, I've been catching fish. Of course, we've had kind of some weird weather lately, too. The last couple days I haven't been able to go out. Well, pair of deuces here. I shouldn't say not able to, not willing to. How about that? And that has more to do with it when it's kind of that rainy weather. Some people will go out and do it. Go out fishing. I'm not a hardcore fisherman, so that's not me. Pair of sevens. Pair of nines. Kind of a sport fisherman. I like going after the bigger fish. Spend most of my time doing that. Pair of threes. Once in a while, I'll take the time to go out and catch some small ones for a lunch. Or dinner, I should say. Pair of sevens, pair of zeros. which I don't mind. I like a fish meal once in a while. Pair of deuces, threes and deuces on that one. Oh, look at all the nines there. I think I had one earlier that had a bunch of nines like that. 3 nines. Ah, look at all the threes. There's 5 of them all together here. Very good. Very good. And eights and ones. Pair of fives, yeah. I'll have to go out to my favorite banks and get a new batch after this again. Pair of fours. Pair of eights. I've been hearing rumblings of some of the bigger banks getting themselves into a little bit of trouble. I don't want to say the national name brands, you've heard them. You'd know it if I said it. Ones and zeros. I'm not sure if it's true or not. I hope not, but I hope we're not headed into one of those deals where the banks are in trouble again. Pair of nines. It's good to keep a little on hand, I'd say. Pair of fours. Deuces. Keep a little money on hand is what I would say. Now gold has been very good lately. Pair of 3 sevens. I'd actually got a bunch of, not a bunch, but I've got gold, and silver has been doing very nice. It almost hit 40 here last week. And yeah, that's nice to see that. I saw a video. They were talking about what the top 20% of holders of silver, how much they have. And I looked at that and I'm like, holy Hannah, I'm on the bottom 20%. And that's not too bad. So I thought, well, that makes it feel good in the top 20%. Well, we got ones and threes there. Pair of nines, sixes, and look at there. Besides being a star note, you get a pair of threes on there. And what do we got? 2013. You know, again, the 20s are all folded. The borders aren't too bad. The left side's got a little bit more border than the right. But, yeah. We'll check to see what how these are as far as the rareness factor is what we're looking for. And I'll keep you up to date on the next one. So, cool. I got to see if I can't do one. What day is it? Wednesday today? Probably later this week. I'll try to get another one out. So, good. We've got 2 of them out of this batch. That's pretty nice. And we'll keep on going here. Nothing much there. Pair of ones. Not much. Oh, they got a pair of fives there. No, that's a kind of a beat up bill there. I don't know how well it shows up on the video for you guys. But, oh, look at all the eights here. We got 4. Half of the numbers are eights. Cool. Very cool. And where are we at here? Pair of fours and pair of zeros. Oh, look at all the eights here. And we are at the end of the pile here. Holy cow, that one went quick. We got all those, and we got 2 star notes to look at. Check up on them. And hey, thank you so much for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. And till next time, we'll see you later. Be honorable.